What's up everyone, it's Dakota. I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be opening up my brand new Astro A50 wireless headset. Alright you guys, so today I received this in the mail. I did have to order it because, well, couldn't really go to the store, but I finally got it. I've been wanting a new headset for a while now, and I finally went ahead and bit the bullet basically and just bought one. My old one, I have the Astro A50 TRs. Really great headset. I love them. It is wired, not wireless, but they are very good headphones, and I was like, you know what? I want more Astros. I tried to order another brand that was way cheaper, but the quality just wasn't there, so I went ahead and was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy these. So that's what I did. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what all comes in it. I'm gonna set it up, show you guys what it looks like on the stand and everything, and maybe do some tests with it. I'm not 100% sure, but if not, you guys can definitely see me using this on my Twitch streams. There will be a link in the description, so by the time this video is up, obviously I will already be using this. The sound quality of these headphones are really good. The mic on these are pretty good from what I've experienced. I don't know how this one is compared to the one that I had before, but I'll obviously be able to test that using Discord and all that good stuff. I don't know if I'll do all that in this video, but at least today we are going to unbox it, and I'll try to get it set up for the most part. So let's jump right into it. Alright you guys, so here's the box. Got it all set up here on the desk. So here's the front of the box. You can see A50 wireless plus the base station, so obviously you need all of it. This is the PlayStation 4 version slash PC version. I guess it works on Mac too. I went ahead and cut the side open, but I haven't opened it. So let's see this side here. This is the back. Talks about all the details, all that good stuff about the headset, all the ports and things like that, which obviously we will see in the box as well. And then the other side, a nice little picture of it there. So, let's go ahead and open this up and slide this out. So, my last pair of headphones that I had, you guys, my other Astro headset, I had them for a couple of years. I bought them used from Craigslist because, well, I didn't want to spend a ton of money and I wanted a really good headset. And so I bought those A40s, and they've been really great. They're just kind of falling apart, so I figured I'd go ahead and get brand new ones, you know, so that's what I went with. Wow, okay. So here's the inside of the box. I have no idea what this is. So there's that. That might be the optical cable. I'm not 100%, but that's what it might be. So here's the headphones. Oh man. You can see the little pieces on the bottom here where they connect to the charger. Very nice. Wow, these are so good looking. Oh man. I'm already happy. I'm already way happier with these. I can already tell. So there's some buttons and stuff here on the side. It's really hard to see, at least on this camera, but looks like maybe the power. I don't know. There's EQ, stereo, a little volume knob, that good stuff. These are removable, I believe, aren't they? Let me. Oh yeah, they're removable. Nice. Yeah, on my old ones, if you take this off, the foam padding is actually coming off the plastic, so it's really bad. So there's that. Let's open up the rest of the box, see what is in here. We've got like manuals and stuff. That looks like a giant sticker, but I'm not really sure what it is, but I'll look at that later. In here we get the USB. This is probably just to connect it from the base station to the system, to the PC. So there's that. And then this here, wow, look at that. This is the base station. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take all this off, because we don't need it. Hey. Oh, there's one on the bottom? That's weird. It's got some rubber feet. Very nice. That will definitely help. That did not rip off right, but that's fine. Oh yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. There's another piece here on this side. And then of course, right here where the earpieces connect, or where it sits down and charges, basically. Wow. That looks so good. It's probably hard for you guys to see this because, I don't know. There it is. It's just too dark. Wow. Okay. So that is literally everything that you get in the box. Is that crazy? That's crazy. Alright. I'll mess with this later. Let's set the box to the side. May I also point out the box? Look at this box. Look at these designs on it. They're so cool looking. It's easier to see these in person, but look at those. Those are so cool. That's so awesome. I love it. So now I have another Astro box. Alright, you guys. So we got the headset out of the box. Looks really good. This is more of like a matte finish. The other ones I had was more glossy, like this earpiece here. This one is a little bit different, but it looks so good. I love it. This is plastic over the microphone. There we go. Get that off of there. Wow, these look really good. I believe these are customizable too. Do these come off? Oh, this is a button. These are buttons. You guys see that? One side says voice, one side says game. Okay. Astro Gaming. Wow, I don't know if this one's like customizable like the A40s are. Doesn't seem like it considering these are buttons, but at least I can replace the ear cups or something like that if I need to. That was my main concern. My ear cups were just terrible, so these are really soft. The padding on the top seems really good. So let me go ahead and set this up, connect it to my computer, let it charge for a few minutes, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you what we're working with. Alright, you guys, so I finally got it set up. It's right here next to my PC. As you can see there at the bottom, the last one is flashing, so it's 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So obviously the last one's flashing, so it is at 75% right now. It's on PC, surround sound, and it's on setting 1. So there's Astro, and then there's like studio mode, and then there's one other mode. But mine's set on the first one, which is just like, I guess their basic one that they have it start with. So I have to mess around with those sounds and see what they actually sound like. But so far so good. So yeah, guys, here's the headset once again. I'm going to actually go ahead and put these on. So as you can see, the mic is on the left side, but I need to make these a little bit smaller because I know it's going to be like way too big. Whoops, I hit the EQ. Let me swap that back to that one. Is that the right size? I don't remember. Alright. Oh man. These feel so comfortable, you guys. I'm already happy with these. However, I do need to make them a little bit smaller here. I know that's not right. I like for them to be somewhat even. That way they're comfortable, but whew, yeah. I love them, guys. It is one of those flip to mute mics, so let me see. I can hear it turn on and off when I do that, but Oh, I can hear myself talking it? Oh my gosh. That is so weird. Okay, I gotta get used to that. I'm not used to hearing myself, so yeah. That is so weird. I'll have to figure out a lot of the stuff, play with the settings, play the sounds, and I'll have to go from there. So let me get rid of that for a minute because it sounds weird. Alright, you guys, so there's the headset. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what headset you guys use if you use one. I'm already happy with this one. Like I said, I did buy a cheaper one before I bought these, and I wasn't happy with them because, well, they were just a little too big, which is really weird to me, but I went ahead and just bought these because even though they're more expensive, I know the quality that I'm getting, and I feel like it's worth it. I'm going to have these for, I don't know, 4 years now, and that's what I plan on anyways. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, like I said earlier, leave them in the comments. Also stop by the Twitch streams if you want to check them out, see what games I'm playing, see the new headset, how it works, all that good stuff. And anything else you guys want, just leave them in the comments. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. I upload all kinds of videos, not even kidding. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.